Hey everyone, welcome to English Brilliance.
Yeah, welcome. The best channel. Mostly because I'm in it.
No, it's because we teach you fun English stories.
With lots of crazy brother-sister moments. Mostly me annoying her.
Annoying means making someone angry. You'll hear that word a lot today.
And you'll also learn everyday English words and expressions.
So stay with us and let's start the story.
Spoiler, I steal her shampoo.
Tom! Tom, did you use my shampoo again?
Maybe. It smells better than mine, more fresh.
Maybe. The bottle is almost empty.
That's because my hair is twice as thick. Twice means double, so I need more.
That was my last bottle.
Relax, calm down, don't stress.
That's not the point. Stop stealing my stuff.
Come on, sharing is caring. When you share, it's like showing love.
Right now, I don't feel any love. Where's my chocolate cake?
Oh, that cake? I may have eaten it, all of it.
What? That was my cake.
Sharing is caring, Emma. I was just caring for myself.
You're impossible.
Impossible. Yeah, like too difficult to deal with. That's me. But it was delicious. Want me to describe every bite? Describe means tell in detail. Like, soft, sweet, amazing.
Don't you dare. Do you know how to knock?
Knocking is boring. Surprise entrances are cooler. Like, boom, I'm here.
Get out of my room.
Nope, I'll just sit here. Oh, what's this? Your diary? The secret notebook.
Don't touch that.
Chill, just joking. Chill is like relax. Don't take it so seriously.
Seriously, leave.
Okay, fine.
Ugh, close the door.
Oops, my bad. Or maybe not.
Why is the floor wet?
Oh, I was just washing my face. Maybe with a little too much water.
You splashed it like a baby elephant.
Splash means throwing drops of water everywhere, right? That's exactly what I did. Thanks. I'll take that as a compliment. Compliment means something nice.
Now I have to clean this mess before Mom sees it.
Or you can blame the cat.
Tom, cats don't use the sink. Where are my headphones?
About that. They're in my room.
What? Why?
Because music sounds better when it's stolen. Stolen means taken without asking, which is funnier.
Give them back, now.
Fine, but only if you say, Tom is the best brother ever.
Never.
Then I'll keep them forever. Forever means always.
Fine. Tom is the best brother ever. Now give them.
That was totally worth it. Worth it means it was good enough to do.
Tom, what are you doing here?
Same as you. Midnight snack raid. A raid is like a secret attack, but for cookies.
Those are my cookies.
Correction, they were your cookies. Were means past because now they're gone.
You little thief.
Want to split them? 70-30. Split means share.
No way. 50-50.
Fine, but only because I'm a generous brother. Generous means kind, giving.
If you open my door one more time tonight.
What did you say?
I said stay out.
Just wanted to say goodnight, sis.
Good night. Now get out.
Okay, but I'm leaving the door wide open again. Wide open means not even a little bit closed.
Tom.